Creating Facebook ads involves a few key steps to ensure they reach your target audience effectively. Access Ads Manager. Go to Facebook Ads Manager or Business Manager and sign in with your Facebook account. Choose Objective. Select your advertising objective based on your marketing goals, such as brand awareness, lead generation, or conversions. Define Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and location to ensure your ads reach the right people. Set Budget and Schedule. Determine your ad budget and schedule, including daily or lifetime budget and ad placement options. Create Ad Creative. Choose the ad format and craft compelling ad copy and visuals that resonate with your target audience. Choose Placement. Select where you want your ads to appear, such as Facebook Newsfeed, Instagram, Audience Network, or Messenger. Review and Publish. Double-check all the details of your ad campaign, including targeting, budget, and creative, and then publish your ads. Monitor performance. Keep an eye on your ad performance metrics in Ads Manager to track results and make adjustments as needed to optimize your campaigns for better results.